Hello everybody and welcome to another edit. So let's take this photo of this young little lady and put her in this setting. That is what I love about digital backdrops. You can just take the photo at home next to a window light, in your usual clothes, and then make it magical. Begin by enlarging your image. This gives us the space we need to work our magic. Paste in the digital backdrop. Lower the opacity of the backdrop layer. This allows you to see your subject clearly as you align the elements. Carefully narrow the skirt to blend naturally with the subject. It's all about creating that perfect silhouette. Go to the subject layer, go to Select, Subject. Go back to the dress layer, into the mask, higher up the opacity, go to Brush, 100% opacity black brush, and let's paint the girl in. Okay, let's go and fix this part. I'm going to select a magnetic lasso tool and just select the arm. Go back to mask layer, inverse the selected area, and just brush it in. I think I want to make her a little bit lighter, so I'm going to adjust brightness and contrast. And I want to go to adjustment and levels too, and just make some shadows a bit lighter here. You always have to make sure that the darkest parts of the subject aligns with the darkest parts of the backdrop. Otherwise, the edit won't look good. So I think I want to change some colors. I want to make her a little bit warmer, so I go to the adjustments, color balance, and just adjust colors as needed. Apply similar color adjustments to the backdrop, creating a cohesive color story throughout the image. Now, sometimes you can see when there is a window light coming, the contrast will be lower at some spots. To truly sell the illusion, let's add that final touch of realism. Create a new layer between the subject and backdrop. Sample the window light color and use a circular gradient to mimic natural light fall off. Adjust the opacity and brush out the effect around the eyes for a natural look. You see, she blends in much better now. Sometimes you can lose some details in hair when you let the AI control all the selections. So I usually like to just take a black brush with low opacity and just brush back those details back. And you can always do that as long as you have photographed your subject to a similar color backdrop as in the digital backdrop you've selected to work with. So if she would have been photographed with a dark brown background, we wouldn't be able to do this. Let's merge. Let's crop it as we want it to be. And we can just select this area and drag it out. Select this area and drag it out too. Let's make some changes here around the arm. Let's select that area and use general fill. Now let's adjust the color of this top. Go to color balance. Before and after. I like it. And there you have it. You've just transformed a simple photo into a work of art. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later.